What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video, or a new series of videos probably. We're here with my boy Jake. He's got his truck right here. We're loading up his hockey gear because this weekend we are going down to Missoula, Montana for a hockey trip. We're playing in the open. Apparently it's the most competitive league they got, so this should be pretty entertaining. I'm gonna try to do as best I can, like put my GoPro on my head while I play, if they allow me to do that. Or I'll just bring it on the bench with me and try to get the boys doing some cool stuff out there because we got some snippers, some snipers, and we got some dudes that got silky mitts on the team, so I'm pretty excited. My boy Jake plays defense, so he's going to be out there just making sure people don't score on us and, you know, snipping and ripping darts from the blue line. So I'm going to try to snipe a few Genos. Hopefully I can get those on video. That would be pretty cool. But we got to go over to the local hockey shop, get our new stuff we're going to get for the weekend, and we'll get on the road.
At the hockey shop.
Here we are. We're at the hockey shop, about to get our crap before we get on the road. Hockey Armor, it's our local shop. Some of our boys are here too. About to get our stuff ready so we can go get this tournament done. So we're here. We're gonna go see what our digs look like. Sweet. Home for the weekend. Get those lights. Oh, there you go. Okay. All right, not bad. Typical stuff, you know what I mean? See, this is how you do hockey tournaments when you're a grown-up. When you're a kid, you just share your room with like every other player on your team. Nah, man. You get your own bed now. Sweet. All right, so here's the setup I'm gonna try to rock tonight when we play. Let's see if this works. Got my GoPro right here, 3 extra batteries. Hopefully one will be fine for me on the bench. I don't know if I'm gonna shoot in 4K or like 2.7 to save battery. I don't know yet. We'll see how bad it is. But hopefully this will be all right. And hopefully nobody, you know, hassles me for having a GoPro. Because it's a beer league tournament, so we should be good. Stoked?
You know what? And they care more. Yes. I'm past the fun stage, you know what I mean? Hey. It's not just about
That's the man right there. It is. Let's go, boys. Let's go, Billy. Good shit. Let's go. Hey, good work.
Day 2.
And this is why it pays to play for a team that cares about you, because we all got dry gear for today's game now. So stoked. Best part of the hockey tournament. Yeah. Love it. Watch hockey after.
Day 3.
All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to the final day of our tournament. Jake and I are sitting in the car getting ready for the final game, and to our surprise, well, probably to your surprise, we made it to the freaking championship game.
Let's go.
Honestly, no surprise. We thought we were gonna do pretty well. The boys were buzzing last night and all day yesterday. We did really well. I didn't film anything yesterday because the first game, as you guys saw, we tied that team. We shouldn't have. We should have won that game, and I felt like the camera kind of jinxed us. So I told the boys in the locker room yesterday I wouldn't wear it all day, and guess what? We got away with a 3-0 win and an 8-0 win. Yeah. So, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, hockey players are superstitious people, especially our goaltender. Oh, yeah. And since I didn't wear my freaking camera, he got 2 shutouts. So I'm not going to jinx it again today. I'm going to put the camera on the bench, so if we do end up like winning or something like that, I'll show you guys a little bit of the footage. But I'm not going to wear it today because I don't want to jinx the team. We want to get out of here with a win because all 4 of our Spokane teams that came down here are all in a championship game today. So we're trying to go for that clean sweep, trying to get the 4 trophies for Spokane right now. So we're gonna go in there, get ready, and go get this game going.
Let's get it.
See you guys in a minute.
With the keys, baby. How's it look on me?
That looks beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. The boys got the win. The boys got. This is the guy right here, by the way. Hey, MVP of the tournament. Let's go. Dogging the camera. Let's go. Love it. Love it, Tones.